morning, my dear children. How are you all? Yes, all are fine, right? Hope you have enjoyed your weekends and all. Okay? Now can we begin our class? Very good. So last class we were discussing about the activities, right? Activity 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now today we are going to discuss about activity number 5. Let's begin. Yes. So here goes activity number 5. What does it say? Sachin saw Bruno running out of the gate. Sachin tried to stop him, but he could not. He ran to his father. What will Sachin tell his father? What will his father say? Write the conversation between Sachin and his father. So you all know that from the lesson when Bruno heard the fish seller's sound, he ran out of the gate and went away, and Sachin couldn't stop him. So Sachin was telling his father that he is gone. Okay, so you have to write the talk. Conversation means the talk between Sachin and his father. So tell me children, Sachin, what will Sachin say to his father? Father, Bruno is running out of the gate. So what might father say? Don't worry, we will find them. So Sachin, where will we find him, father? Father is saying, come, let's go to the street. Is it clear? I think all have read the lesson, right? Yes. So this is the conversation between Sachin and father. Sachin is asking the father that, telling to the father that Bruno has gone out. So father is saying, you don't worry, we will find him. Don't be sad, don't cry. So what Sachin is saying, how can we find him? Where we can find him? So father is saying, you don't worry, we can go to the street or the road, nearby market. He will be there. He will not go far off places. So this is what Sachin's father said to Sachin. Clear? Now can we move on to the next activity? Yes. So here goes activity number 6. What does it say? It's getting late. Let's go home. Sachin and his father started walking home. Sachin was very sad. He thought about Bruno. What would he think about Bruno? Write the thoughts of Sachin. So they searched and searched and searched, and it was getting late to home, right? Yes. So while he was going to the home, Sachin was very sad. Okay. So just he was thinking about Bruno. So what could it be? Where are you, Bruno? Please come back. He was thinking like that. Where are you, Bruno? Please come back. So this is activity number 6. Now next one is activity number 7. Bruno went to the vegetable shop. Name the vegetables Bruno saw there. Some clues are given below. Hope you remember that story. He went to the market and he thought it was a ball, and he started dancing on it. He started standing upon it, and he made all the dirty things and came out, right? Yes. So its clue is given here. Its color is orange. Rabbits like it. It is sweet. So what will be that, children? Orange color vegetable. Yes, correct, exactly. It is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Clear? Now next one. It's round. It's big. It looks like a football. The starting letter they have given P. So which vegetable it will be? Yes, pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Is it clear? So carrot and pumpkin is the answer. Now children, a very interesting activity is there for you all. Draw a vegetable you like, name it and write a few sentences about it. So what you have to do means, you have to draw any vegetable which you like, okay, and write 5 sentences or 3 sentences about that vegetable. This you have to do your own. Okay. Yes. I hope all will do this. Yes. Now we can move on to the another section. It's not an activity. It's like a project work for you all. So let's see. Here it goes. I like Bruno's story. I can identify the different places where Bruno went. I can imagine what he thinks when he was there. Write the place where Bruno is on the lines below the picture. Select the thoughts of Bruno and write them in the thought bubbles. You can see so many bubbles there, right? Yes. See the first picture. What might be he thinking? There are many vehicles passing by and he is on the road. So what will be he thinking? Yes, the third one. Oh, so many vehicles. How can I cross? Now next one. Where is Bruno now? Yes, where is Bruno? Bruno is sitting near the swing, right? Yes. So what might be he thinking there? Let me sit on the swing. When Sachin was swinging, he also want to swing. So what did he thought? Let me sit on the swing. Next one picture. Yeah, a balloon seller is there and he is near the balloon seller. So what will it be? Oh, so colorful. I want one. Oh, so colorful. I want one. Okay. Now next picture. He is near a vegetable shop. Right? Yes. So what might be think he have seen a pumpkin over there. So he thought it was a ball. So he is thinking, let me kick the ball. Let me kick the ball. Now you can see that Bruno is searching Sachin. So what will be he thinking? Where is my friend? Where is my friend? So is it clear? Yes. So these are the activities. You have to do it on your notebook. Okay. Last activities you did in your notebook, right? So same thing you have to do it in your notebook. And that vegetable, draw a vegetable you like. Also you have to draw it in your notebook. Okay. And write 3 or 4 sentences about the vegetable you like. Is it clear, children? Yes. So hope this all activities are clear to you. Okay. So next class we will begin a new chapter. So till then, bye.